Hi, it's George again over at eimports4Less. Here today filming a short video about a vehicle we've got available for sale here today. What we're looking at today is a 2016. It's a BMW X1. It is an xDrive, so it's an all-wheel drive. It's the XLINE model. Let's take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about this one. You can see the exterior color is the dark bronze metallic, real dark bronze color. Take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about the car. 35,000 original miles. It's a one-owner vehicle. Clean history. Of course, you can see the Carfax and Autocheck report out on our website at eimports.com. You can see it's got the panoramic moonroof, and this one really is loaded. Full-size navigation, technology package, backup camera, HID headlamps, heads-up display, real leather interior, which is kind of hard to find on the X1s, believe it or not. Leather interior is an option. This one has the luxury package, so that comes with it. It's got comfort access, really great equipment. See the nice 18-inch XLINE wheels, and condition-wise is absolutely excellent. Nothing to talk about here. Exterior and interior are both really nice condition. Has a recent Pennsylvania state inspection as well. So let's take a look at the interior. The interior is mocha. That's the mocha design package, BMW calls that. Take a look at this interior. You're not going to be able to see much out here in the bright sunlight, but you can see that nice natural finish wood grain trim, full-size nav, heads-up display over there. Of course, digital climate control and everything else you'd expect out of a premium car. This car was almost $46,000 new. You can see the full window sticker and all the options on our website at eimports.com. But a lot of these cars out there on the market today were only $36,000, $37,000 new. This car's got, $8,000 to $10,000 more of options than most. So be careful when you're out shopping for these on the used market. There's plenty of base models out there. So, like I said, real leather interior. This is the mocha design interior. That panoramic moonroof basically goes almost the full length of the roof. Definitely right over the rear passengers. So nice and clean, looks nice, smells nice in there. Again, you can check out all of the details on this car on our website at eimports.com. If you're interested in owning this one, you want to buy it before somebody beats you to it, give us a call here at the dealership at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.